Hey guys, hey, it's Dr. Jerry here with this week's episode of Research That Matters. This month we're going to be focused primarily on sleep. Sleep is one of the most important things for health and well-being. It is certainly related to a number of health conditions. You know, sleep is where our body is able to recover and to rest, but a lack of sleep not only leads to grogginess the next day and makes you cranky and irritable, but chronic sleep issues can lead to depression, insomnia, and also make all those aches and pains a little bit worse. You know, if you've ever woken up with a crick in your neck, you know that awkward sleeping positions can also be pretty detrimental to the spine. And so one of the common questions that patients often ask is, you know, what's the best sleeping position? And that can be different for a variety of different situations and patients. But in the research and basically the sleep professionals, if you will, they've determined that the best sleep position is actually on your side, with your head supported and your shoulders centered and a pillow between your legs. And this allows for the best alignment of your spine and reduces the pressure on your neck, your low back, your hips and legs, and all of which, you know, certainly can help with a more restful night's sleep. Now, tonight, when you're laying in bed, what I want you to do is make a little bit of a mental note for yourself. And one of the things you should be looking for and kind of asking yourself is your nose in line with your belly button? And if they're in good alignment, put a pillow between your knees, and the chances are you're going to get a much better night's sleep. Hopefully this tip kind of helps answer that question as far as what the best sleeping position is. Again, sleeping on your side, pillow between your knees, nose lined up with the belly button, and you should be in probably the best position you're going to be able to find. For patients with shoulder problems, a lot of times I will recommend a body pillow that you can wrap your arms around and help maintain that shoulder alignment as well. So for this week's episode of Research That Matters, thanks for joining and thanks for tuning in.